Hello, good morning everyone. Let me introduce myself. My name is Anya Puryani. In here I will present our paper about synthesis of nickel cobalt manganese ternary transition metal oxide from mixed hydroxide precipitate as a precursor to NCM 811. A lithium-ion battery is a family of rechargeable battery types. The ion battery has many advantages: high volumetric and gravimetric energy density, high efficiency, good sensor ability, and high reliability. In tandem with this increasing market share, the proportion of nickel containing the ion batteries in use is set to grow from 39% in 2016 to 58% in 2025. Two of the most commonly used types of batteries, NCA and NCM, use 80% and 30% nickel. Newer formulations of NCM are also approaching 80% nickels. Most lithium-ion batteries now rely on nickel because nickel is an essential component for the cathode lithium batteries. So far, most of the nickel sources used to produce lithium-ion batteries are nickel salt. The use of lithium salt is still quite expensive, so it needs to be replaced. One alternative that can be used as the substitute for nickel salt is mixed hydroxide precipitate. Based on grade, it can be seen that by using mixed hydroxide precipitate or MXP can be 300% added value will be obtained when used to make precursors. Advantages using MXP are economical, easy to process, high availability in Indonesia. In this research, we report a synthesis process of lithium nickel cobalt manganese oxide or NCM type nickel-rich 811 cathode material precursor with mixed hydroxide precipitate or MXP as the nickel source. MXP was obtained from PT GB Industri Nickel in Maluku, Indonesia. To enhance the environmental friendliness of the overall process, the MXP was leached using organic acid. And the first process, MXP powder, was washed with deionized water to obtain sulfate-free MXP. After that, leaching process using organic acid such as citric acid, lactic acid, malic acid, and acetic acid. The leach filtrate was precipitated with oxalic acid. The precipitate was separated using gravity filter, washed using warm deionized water, and dry in oven to obtain precursor or NCM oxalate precipitate. The ternary transition metal oxide or NCM oxide was prepared by thermal decomposition of NCM oxalate precipitate at 500 degrees Celsius for 4 hours. To understand the characteristics of MXP, series of characterization is performed and the results are displayed in Figure 1A to D. Figure 1A shows that the MXP has dominant hydroxyl group that can be observed that wave number of 3,400 per centimeter and 600 per centimeter, while carbonate peak can be observed at 1,000 to 1,600 per centimeter. The XRD pattern in Figure 1B explained that the MXP has poor crystalline properties since the peaks observed have low intensity and bird peak width. Figure 1c displays the morphological feature of MXP with the particle have two shapeform, flag-like shape, and aggregate near spherical shapes. Based on EDX analysis presented in Figure 1d, MSP is highly dominant in nickel and contains small portion of sulfur, which predicted in sulfate form and slight amount of magnesium and manganese. The mixed oxalate characterization are displayed in Figure 2. Figure 2a is the FTIR spectra of all samples that show functional group of hydrate molecule and oxalate group. Figure 2b shows the X-ray diffraction pattern also confirm the formation of metal oxide dihydrate, and the structure can be identified as orthorhombic and classified to CCCN space group. Same image display in Figure 2c. So the particle morphology of the as prepared NCM oxide sample, it appears that the different type of organic acid used during the leaching process produce different types of morphology. NCM oxide from citric acid, lactic acid, and acetic acid sample inhibit near spherical shapes and coffee bean-like morphology. On the other hand, CMC oxide from malic acid has a contrast morphology compared to the other three. It has the basodrop spherical morphology. Sample treated with citric acid has the largest particle size, while sample treated with acetic acid has the smallest particle size. Figure 2d presents the EDX analysis of NCM oxide sample. It appears that the final nickel, copper, and manganese value for all samples were close 70%, 10%, and 50%, which are derived from its estimated value of 80%, 10%, and 10%. Figure 3 shows the particle distribution chart of NCM oxide sample. Based on the figure, NCM oxide from citric acid and NCM oxide from malic acid have the particle size range 2.1 to 10 micrometer and 2.4 to 7.8 micrometer. Meanwhile, NCM oxide from lactic acid and acetic acid have particle size range of 3 to 7 micrometer and 1.6 to 5.4 micrometer. Based on the FTIR spectra in Figure 4a, the oxalate and hydrate crystal previously detected in NCM oxide sample are disappeared, and the formation of metal oxide when was detected is in wave number less than 600 per centimeter, which happened to all of the sample. Three main refraction peaks observed at 2 theta of 38 degree, 46 degree, and 64 degree exhibit in Figure 4b indicate a cubic structure of nickel oxide, while diffraction peak observed at 36 is correspond to manganese oxide. In figure 4c, present the same analysis of the NCM oxide particle. Overall, all the samples have similar in size and does not form severe agglomeration. However, unique morphology can be seen in NCM oxide from acetic acid and lactic acid, which have quasi-spherical-like morphology with opening. NCM oxide from malic acid and citric acid has similar quasi-spherical particles ceramic and by submicron primary particle adherence. In this study, precursor to lithium nickel cobalt manganese oxide or NCM cathode material for the ion batteries was synthesized using mixed hydroxide precipitate or MXP as the nickel source, which is economically attractive to be applied for mass production purpose. Based on the same analysis, oxalate precipitate obtained from lactic acid, third MXP have spherical morphology and narrow particle distribution. Meanwhile, acidic analysis confirmed the presence of magnesium in the sample. Mixed oxide precursor border were successfully obtained by thermal decomposition of mixed oxalate precipitate, which is confirmed by SFD and FTIR analysis. Same analysis of mixed oxide precursor show fine micron size powder formation that can be readily used as NCM cathode precursor. Thank you.